Hello, good day to you and welcome to our channel. Do you want to learn how to withdraw from Cowrywise mutual funds to your bank account? Work with me. So what you have to do is launch your Cowrywise app and log in into it. So once you have logged in into it and you are on your dashboard, then you have your home, save and invest on your screen. So what do you have to do? You click on invest. So if you are investing in a mutual fund on Cowrywise, you first need to sell your mutual funds unit. Then the proceeds will be credited into your stash. Then after it has been credited to your stash, that is where you can now withdraw into your bank account. So how do you get this done? Once you're on the invest page, then you click on the naira mutual funds. So if you have invested, it will show you the options of which of the mutual fund you want to withdraw from. So from there, you choose the menu, the three dots on the top menu, top right corner, and you sell your units. So enter the number of units you want to sell, then review the details and confirm. So you have to wait for the process to reach your stash. So after you have done that, the money will be credited into your stash. Depends on the number of units you sold. So typically it takes less than 6 working hours, although processing times can vary depending on the fund and business days. So after you have done that and you have been credited into your stash, so you now withdraw from your stash to your bank account. You go to the stash page and you type the three dots menu at your page. So then you select withdraw. So once you have selected withdrawal, you choose your linked Nigerian bank account, enter the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the transaction with your Cowrywise PIN. So after you have done that, you have to wait for the bank transfer. So Cowrywise processes stash withdrawals 24 hours after you have initiated them. So it will take 24 hours before your money can be transferred into your bank account. So just make sure you are withdrawing to a regular Nigerian bank account linked to your BVN and also a virtual account number, and it is supported for withdrawals. Thank you.